CodeGate brings an essential layer of privacy and security protections to your AI coding workflows, and we've been hard at work adding even more integrations. We're happy to announce support for Cline, the popular AI agent for Visual Studio Code, which is known for its autonomous coding capabilities. CodeGate runs locally on your machine and sits between Cline and the large language model it's interacting with. In this video, I'll show you how to use CodeGate and Cline together to make your AI coding workflows safer. We start by running the CodeGate container using the Docker run command that you can find on the CodeGate website, in the README, in the GitHub repo, or in the docs at codegate.ai. Now that CodeGate is up and running locally, we need to configure Cline. Over in VS Code, I have the Cline extension already installed from the marketplace. And to configure it, you just need to go to the Cline settings, choose a supported provider, and set the custom base URL to CodeGate's local API port and provider endpoint. CodeGate's Cline integration currently works with Anthropic, with OpenAI and other OpenAI compatible providers like OpenRouter, and also with Ollama and LM Studio if you want to keep things local. And you can find all the details on how to configure each of these integrations in the CodeGate docs. For this demo, I'll use OpenAI. So I'll select the OpenAI compatible provider, set the base URL, add my API key and the model name I want to use, and save the settings. And to confirm that Cline is talking to CodeGate, I'll run the CodeGate version command. Now that Cline is connected up, let's see what CodeGate can help us with. I'll ask Cline to look for errors in a sample JavaScript file. CodeGate has protected me in a few different ways here. First, it looks like I had a hard-coded secret in this file, and since Cline has access to all of your project files as context, it's pretty easy to accidentally grab these. Normally, this would have been shipped off to the provider where it could possibly get used in the next training run, or at the very least, it would have been stored in their logs and systems outside of my control. But instead, CodeGate has encrypted this secret on the fly. In CodeGate's dashboard, we can see the alert about this GitHub access token and also the encrypted string that actually replaced it. So this secret never left my local machine unprotected. CodeGate also decrypts it on the way back, so as Cline is modifying your code and making suggestions, the value stays the way you expect it. CodeGate also detected some problematic dependencies. This Colorama.js package is, in fact, malicious, and the color functions package is deprecated. And this is all really important because LLMs have knowledge cutoff dates that are at least a few months in the past, so they're always working on outdated knowledge. CodeGate supplements this knowledge with up-to-date information about dependency risks that are sourced from the StackLock Insight service. Here you can see the StackLock Insight report about that Colorama.js package and the fact that it's flagged as malicious. If you want to learn more about these particular features, check out our feature spotlight videos in the CodeGate playlist on the StackLock YouTube channel. CodeGate works in the background. It's always there reviewing every prompt and response between Cline and your language model. So as Cline is working through your tasks, it automatically gets the added privacy and security protections from CodeGate. CodeGate is a free and open source project, so visit the website or the GitHub project to get up and running and join the conversation in our Discord community. We'd really love to hear what you think. Thanks for watching.